good, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Sizzle or Fizzle. I'm Rick,
And I am your boy, Cass.
and this is the show where we listen to different artists, different genres. We put our heads together, we determine if we like it, aka we'll give it a sizzle. If we don't, we'll give it a fizzle. But we also invite you to get in those comments and let us know how you feel about it.
You.
Cass,
Huh?
it's been a minute since we listened to Rush. They are a staple on this show, but with good reason. Anika Nilles is the new drummer for Rush, and
Yes.
they just started a new tour. And
Yes.
we're going to listen to YYZ and see how it sounds.
I am excited to
I
check
am.
it out. Have you listened to it?
I've heard YYZ before. I just haven't heard Anika play with them.
Oh, okay. Okay. Well, have fun.
All right, here we go, folks. Rush with YYZ.
Let's do this one.
I often wonder if this is a song that you might take an interest in.
Yes, sir. For several reasons. Um,
Uh-oh,
let me
several.
just get this out of the way first. We'll start with Anika. She's a member of Rush now. I mean, yes, I know. Alex already said it. Geddy already said it. But it was dependent on me. She's a member of Rush now. She, yeah. She
Oh,
is.
you are the final decision.
I'm the final decision. They don't know it yet, but I'm the final decision, and it's decided. She was playing her ass off on that song, and
How you
what
know?
can you say about Geddy and his bass playing? And Alex, Alex is a great guitarist in his own right. And real quick before I turn it over to you, I know we talked in our Jimi Hendrix video that it's very rare that you'll see a Les Paul with a whammy bar. You did just there. Alex has
Oh,
a whammy bar on his Les Paul.
whoa. I
Um,
put it
and
there
and you put it in the right spot because they made some beautiful music. It's a
together.
sizzle for me. It is a sizzle for me.
I have to say, first of all, that I love time signature changes. Good God Almighty. Oh my God. Of course, the easiest one always is 4/4 time, but then you've got 3/4 time, and then you got 5/4 time, which 5/4 time is, I can't even really, I don't know, but it's just crazy how they do it. And then, of course, she's having fun back there. That's all I can
Yes.
say,
Yes.
because you can see a lot of drummers are really playing serious, and every time they showed a close up of her, she's got a grin on her face. She's just jamming. I mean, it goes without saying that Anika is just killing it.
Yes, she is. I
Does that
mean,
make any sense?
it makes perfect sense.
Oh,
Um,
I get a raise. So that's another playlist. I would have to say that I can't likes everything except the fact that I really would like to have a really good copy of the performance to get some really good sound out of it. Dislikes nothing. I liked everything. So timeless. Can I use
yeah,
that word?
yeah, absolutely. Now, I would say that the reason why you probably didn't see any good copies over there on the YouTube land is because a lot of these people just went to the concert. I mean, they literally just kicked off the concert a few weeks ago, and all these
Yeah.
bootlegged videos are popping up of them. Uh, I imagine when Rush decides to put out their own version, we'll get a lot better everything, sound, camera, all that good stuff. But I will say this: I'm glad that I'm wearing the Bose earbuds today because that bass really popped through on this track.
Lucky dog.
I know.
Lucky dog because I have audio issues. Lucky dog. Lucky dog. Lucky dog.
I do what I can for the team, bro. I do what I can for the team.
That's good. That's good.
Now,
That's what you pay me for, to do good for the team.
now I don't mind anybody from Sizzle Gang throwing out another track by Rush or something else that they want us to listen to. That's fine. But I got a special question, to you guys, for this video. How many of you are going to see Rush while they're on tour? Throw in a comment. Let us know where and when you're going to
Share
see
it.
them on their tour. Sure, share with all of us. Share with everybody. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, all that good stuff. Especially leave us a thumbs up. We need that. That way we can get exposed on YouTube. I keep saying exposed. That doesn't sound right. Exposure on YouTube.
He
I'm gonna
likes to
get
be exposed.
I'm gonna get red banned one of these days, Cass,
Yep.
and it'll be my own fault. But
Yep.
before I do, let's grow this channel. So make sure that you join in with us.
Come
And
on
when
with
you
it,
do
people.
subscribe, tell them what they got to do, Kaz.
You must like, share, subscribe, and hit the ding, 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 ding. Get
That's
those
right. Hit that bell.
notifications. Ding, 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 ding.
And we will definitely be back with more in the future. Until then, make sure that you stay positive, stay blessed.
No matter what's going on in your life, people, please keep it moving.
See ya.
Later.